Why are you choosing to live in a countryside rather than a city?
It's a serious question.
Sa Philippines, nag-work ako doon. 14 years ako nag-work. Hi everyone! Welcome to Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So today is the 11th of May and currently it's 13 degrees Celsius. So medyo chilly yung weather pero okay lang kasi nga sunny siya. So kakauwi lang ni Love galing sa work. Siya. Love, say hi to the video.
Hi to the video.
Nagulat ako dun sa aso. Si Ange. Ayan si... Ayan si...
You take Zayda.
Ayan si Ange.
I want to go see the cats.
Go get the cats.
No, they
Zayda.
gotta stay downstairs because nobody's home. So.
Why don't you bring them outside?
Well, fine. Me and Zayda are gonna go see the cats.
Okay, I'll wait for you here. Pupuntahan niya yung mga pusa niya doon sa basement kasi meron siyang dalawang pusa, si Norman and... Love, what's the name of your other cat?
Norman and Norma.
Norman and Norma.
Yeah, try to get the dog to walk around over there.
Hey, Ange. Is it Ange, Love? Doggy. Ayun. Aso yan ang aking mother-in-law. Come here. Come here, come here. Medyo matanda na itong aso na to. Ano na, mahina na yung mata niya. So anyway, ano nga ba yung sinasabi ko? Pupunta kami ng Walmart para mag-grocery shopping ulit. So kakauwi lang ni Love galing sa work. And ganun lang yung ginagawa namin madalas. Pag kakauwi lang niya, diretso na kami sa Walmart. Kaya pagod-pagod siya. Para bukas, free time kami. Pero hindi ko sure kung ano gagawin namin bukas kasi nga Mother's Day. So, ayun, andito kami again sa bahay ng aking mga in-laws. Papalabasin namin itong mga pets dito. So, ayun, samahan nyo kami today. Ayan si Ange. Yan ang baby dito ng aking mga in-laws. Takot ako dun sa sa mga cats ni Richie. Hindi ko alam. Basta takot ako sa pusa eh. Hindi, parang nangingilabot ako pag nakikita ko sila. Kaya ayoko pumunta dun sa sa basement. So ito yung paligid ngayon dito. Diyan, sa area na yan. Diyan. Meron dyan mga chickens. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Sana hindi ko makita yung stray cat. Meron din kasing stray cat dito. And yun, nakakatakot talaga siya. Ay, ang ganda ng flowers. Ayan, ang chicken ng aking mother-in-law. Ayan, sunny ngayon. Ganda yung weather. Although chilly kasi nga. 13 degrees Celsius. Sa ibang mga state, nakikita ko yung mga ibang vloggers na pinapanood ko. Nakakapag-shorts na sila and then spaghetti strap, mga sleeveless. Dito kasi, sa Connecticut, kung saan kami nakatira, parang hindi pa carry. Unless sanay na sanay ka sa weather dito na kahit 13 degrees Celsius is kaya mong mag-shorts and sleeveless. Siguro yung pinaka hindi balot na nagawa ko is nung nag-walking kami doon sa forest. Doon yun. Sa area na yun. Yung naka-shirt lang ako. Kasi yun mga bang temperature yun? Parang nasa 20 plus. So far yun yung pinaka-warm na weather na na-experience ko dito sa Connecticut. Tapos ngayon balik na naman sa 13 degrees Celsius. Pero parang medyo nasasanay na ako sa weather dito. Kaya hindi rin ako masyado nakabundle up. Pero 13 degrees Celsius, so okay naman, tolerable naman ang weather. Naantay ko lang lumabas ulit yung mag-ama, si Zara at saka si Richie. Tapos noon, punta na kami sa Walmart. Ayan, medyo mahangin. So, ayan si Zara. Baby, can you take off your binky? Lagi kasi nakabinky itong batang ito. What's that? Call Ange. Hi, Ange! Say hi to the camera, baby. Here. Tinitingnan niyo si yung doggy. Baby, look at the camera. Say hello, everyone. Baby, look at the camera. Zara, look at the camera. Nung una takot siya dyan sa sa doggy. Tsaka sa pusa. Ngayon okay na. Baby, say hello to the camera. Ayaw niya talaga. Doon talaga siya nakatingin sa dog. Say hi. Hi. Let's the doggy. Let's the doggy. Let's the doggy.
Goodness. Yeah.
Are you done with your lunch?
What?
Are you done?
Over there, and then over there, and then back there, and then...
Pupunta daw kami sa barn. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin dyan ni Richie. Tapos ilang beses ko na rin na-mention sa vlog na yan yung isang house dito. Ang tawag dyan is White House. And walang nakatira dyan. Tapos may mga gamit dyan sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung lilipat ba kami dyan soon or what. Parang pinag-uusapan pa. Kinakausap pa ni Richie ang kanyang father kasi hindi kami pwedeng tumira dyan dahil nagkaka-allergy si Richie. Kasi nga, luma na yung bahay na yan. 100 years old na daw yan eh. Tapos, ayun nga, nagkaka-allergy siya kasi yung sa, tawag dito, yung sa carpet, luma na. Gusto niyang palitan ng hardwood floor na lang and tanggalin na yung carpet. Eh, parang ayaw ng aking biyanan na lalaki kasi. Parang gusto niyang i-preserve itong bahay na to. So, okay lang sa kanya na mag-stay kami dyan. Basta, palitan na lang yung carpet. Which is, hindi naman gusto ni Richie kasi nga nagkaka-allergy siya. Gusto niya hardwood floor. So, ayan. Di pa namin alam.
Baby, I need to go look at something. Here you come in.
So, ayan. Ayan yung White House. Next time, mag-aan na tayo dyan. House tour. Sa loob. 3-bedroom house yan. Yung aking mga in-laws, sila? Parehas ng retired. Pero meron silang business. Itong Rose Lawn Care. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung ibang business nila. May pupuntahan kami ulit doon sa part na yan. Sobrang laki nitong property na to. Kung napanood yun na ibang mga vlogs ko, nag-iikot-ikot ako lagi dito sa mga ibang videos ko, makikita nyo ang laki niya. So, ayan si Love. Di ko alam kung ano ba ang kanyang gagawin dyan. Love, what are you gonna do there?
I'm trying to figure out what these weeds are.
Weeds? Why?
Because I was having trouble telling the difference between these weeds and radishes, and I've been cutting radishes trying to kill these weeds. I realized it's radishes, and I want to know what these things are. So I gotta download Plant ID. Plant Identifier.
Love, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Why are you choosing to live in a countryside rather than a city?
It's a serious question.
Yes, that's a serious question.
Cities have too many problems, and countryside has less problems. And it's the biggest problem with cities is people. And every time you turn around, some person is causing some problem. And everywhere you look, there's just more ridiculous problems because everybody's just causing problems all over the place. Here, the trees don't cause any problems usually. You know, I guess sometimes.
How about the wild animals? Aren't you scared of the wild animals? No. Are there wild animals here?
No.
Rarely?
There's squirrels.
Squirrels? But love, there are more jobs in the city compared in the countryside. What can you say about that? Love. Love, answer my question. We're doing a Q&A here. Ay nako, busy si Love. Pagkapagod to, nakakabuisit tong kausap eh. Love, nakakainis ikaw kausap. Love.
Can't you see I'm trying to do something? It's invasive in Connecticut and in Washington.
That one.
Yeah. Why is it? Look, it's only invasive. Show the camera. It's only invasive here and in Washington. See this little.
Tell them again what's the name of the
little
weed.
Red spot. You can see it's invasive because it's growing in even just this stuff.
What's the name of the weed again?
Jewelweed.
So, yun yung na-check na kanina kung ano bang klaseng weed yan. Is that the same kind of stuff that we saw in your mini garden at our apartment?
Some of it, but some of it was radishes. I was having trouble telling the picture.
Love, the question that I was asking, how about the jobs? There are more job opportunities in the city. What can you say about that?
That's true, obviously.
So, why is it that you still prefer living in the countryside? Don't you have an answer for that? I don't think Loves need a job in the city because he already has a job.
For now.
Yeah. Love, what's that? Ah, may squirrel doon. Hindi ko nakuha ng video. So, ayun. For now. But, are you considering moving to a city if you're going to change your job?
No, I ain't never
gonna live in a city. Change? Okay. Love, I want you to change your job. I don't want you to be a truck driver anymore.
There's local truck driving.
That's giving me a lot of stress.
Me too.
Oh, see? So, why are you still staying on that kind of job? Although the job pays good, I think.
Did you show them the azalea?
Yeah, I did on the other video.
What about this one? It looks better now.
Yeah, I did.
Go show them.
I did. I went there a while ago. So, ayun. Ako naman, yung aking point of view or yung aking opinion about living in a countryside. Kasi, nung nasa Philippines pa ako, sa city ako nakatira. Well, province siya kasi Rizal yun eh. Pero sa Antipolo, so city, ibang-iba siya dito, di ba? Kung alam niyo yung sa Antipolo. Nung unang dating ko dito, medyo na-culture shock ako kasi nga. Iba pa rin yung itsura niya sa probinsya sa Philippines eh. Iba talaga. Kasi yung mga bahay dito sobrang magkakalayo. Pero yung sa apartment namin, kasi nasa kabayanan kami, although it's still considered as a countryside, yung sabi nga nung iba, mukha siyang nakakatakot, yung parang mga venue or location for horror movies. Pero na-enjoy ko na siya. Mas mapapalapit ka sa nature pagka dito ka nakatira. And diba, yung mga tao sa city, pagka gusto nila magbakasyon, pupunta sila sa mga province kasi para mag-unwind and para magkaroon ng relaxation and peace. So pag andito ka, lagi mong ma-achieve ang peace and relaxation. Ayun. Nagluluha ako kasi mahangin. So, for now, gusto ko dito. Nagugustuhan ko naman dito sa place na to. Yung ano ko lang, struggle ko lang, or problem ko lang is, since wala akong pang driver's license, hindi pa ako makadrive, dahil nga wala pa yung green card ko, and yung aking combo card, although na-approve na yung aking combo card, kasi wala pa yung physical card. So, wala, ano talaga, doon lang kami sa loob ng apartment ni Zayra pagka wala si Richie. Or pagka hindi kami sinusundo ng aking mother-in-law. Ito yung flower na gusto ni Richie ipakita ko sa video. Ang ganda niya, no? Nung last time na pinakita ko to ay ano, hindi pa siya ganyan kaganda. Now, what do you call this plant again? Azalea?
Yeah.
Azalea. What's the status of your bamboos?
They're pretty good. If that one grows, I ordered more, so if this one grows, we'll have 4 varieties. Otherwise, we have 3 varieties, which is good.
How much did you pay for the other?
Well, I had to buy bigger sizes because they were sold out of the smaller size.
Yeah, so how much was it?
Well, this one I just ordered was $125.
That's more expensive.
Because it's bigger.
Oh my God, love, you're spending so much with the bamboos.
It's an investment. You know?
Love, tell them about your plans with the bamboos.
I'm gonna sell the I'm gonna duplicate and sell. And duplicate and sell and duplicate and sell. That's the plan. That's it. The whole plan. Let's go.
So, ayun. Plano niyang gawing business ang bamboos. Hopefully mag-work. Hopefully your plans making bamboos to be your business would work, love. But love,
It's a side hustle.
side hustle. But it's still a business. Isn't it considered a business?
It's gonna be your business because I'm gonna be gone and you're gonna be dealing with
Gonna be gone? Where are you going?
At work.
Love, you said that you're going to change the job. I already gave you some recommendations, the other jobs that we both can do. Love, are you allowing me to work?
No.
Why?
It's Bobo.
What?
Zayda needs your attention more than we need a little bit of money.
Yan. Ayun na talagang mag-work ako. Sa Philippines, nag-work ako doon. 14 years ako nag-work sa JP Morgan Chase under controls and compliance. Pero kailangan ko mag-stop nung nanganak ako kay Zayda kasi gusto ni Love na mag-focus ako kay Zayda dahil pagdating ko dito sa US, wala akong katulong. Hindi katulad sa Philippines. So, ayun.
Show them my car.
We shouldn't be showing them.
Show them my car.
I know, but we shouldn't be doing it in this.
Nobody cares about the license plate.
Whatever. Gusto niya ipakita yung ano car niya. Oh, you tell them about your car if I show it to them.
It's sweet.
Wait. Go, love. Tell them something about your car.
It's a 2004 Pontiac GTO. They only made about 15,000. For a while, I thought I had the only one in the area, but lately I've been seeing 1 or 2. But for the first 2 or 3 years I was driving trucks out here, I never saw any. But then I've seen 1 or 2 now, so there are others. But the GTO was the original muscle car, and they stopped making it for a very long time. And for a few years, they started making GTO, but it's really an Australian car called the Monaro, made by a company called Holden, which is an offshoot of General Motors, like Pontiac is an offshoot of General Motors, and they just take a Holden Monaro and they stamp GTO on it. But really it's a Holden Monaro, but it's a sweet car. It's got a 5.7 V8 and it's rear wheel drive, and it's, you know, it's a fast car, but you can't drive it very fast. And if I drive it, it's old, so it might fall apart if I really push it too hard, so I'd be gentle.
Love, how much did you spend to buy that car?
The car cost $10,000, but it had a bad engine, and then the engine blew, and then I had to put a new engine in it, so I ended up doing $10,000 of repairs, but everything on this car has been gone over and restored, mostly, but it still got an exhaust leak because we couldn't ever get the exhaust correct. So that's always bothering me. But other than that exhaust leak, it's pretty much totally good. Let's go.
Okay. So, ayun. Very proud siya dyan sa kanyang GTO. So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Walmart. So, gagawa ako ng separate video about dun sa Walmart. Kasi diba kung mapapansin nyo, ang aking mga ina-upload na videos is about USA grocery shopping videos. And then, yung life namin dito sa countryside sa United States. So, thank you so much for supporting Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye.